Hi all, I am Shalu Rose, Assistant Professor in EEE Department from Emmanuel JJ College of Engineering. Now I am teaching about coordinate system. First, what is coordinate system? The direction of the vectors are accurately represented in terms of coordinate system. There are three types in the coordinate system. First one is Cartesian coordinate system. Second one is cylindrical coordinate system. Third one is spherical coordinate system. Now we discuss about one by one. First one is Cartesian coordinate system. The system has three coordinate axes represented as x, y, z. These axes are intersect in the common point called origin. There are two types in the Cartesian coordinate system. First one is right-handed system. Next one is left-handed system. First, we have to discuss about right-handed system. In right-handed system, x-axis rotated towards y-axis through the smaller angle. Then this rotation causes the upward movement. Next, in left-handed system, x-axis and y-axis are interchanged compared to right-handed system. So the rotation is x-axis to y-axis through the smaller angle cause the downward movement. Next one is base vectors. The base vectors are the unit vectors which are oriented along the direction of the coordinate axis of the given coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system, the three coordinates are x, y, z. So the base vectors are ax, ay, az. Next one is position vector or distance vector. The position vector of point P is represented the distance of point P from the origin. This is also called the radius vector. Origin means the center point. Okay. Next one is distance vector. Distance vector means distance between the two vectors. Let us assume P vector is equal to x1 ax vector plus y1 ay vector plus z1 az vector. This is one vector. Then the another vector is q vector equal to x2 ax vector plus y2 ay vector plus z2 az vector. Then the distance vector is equal to q vector minus p vector. So pq vector is equal to x2 minus x1 ax vector plus y2 minus y1 ay vector plus z2 minus z1 az vector. Then the magnitude of the distance vector is equal to modulus of pq vector. So modulus means root value. So root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. Next we have to solve one problem. Obtain the unit vector and the direction from the origin towards the point P of 3, minus 3, minus 2. So in this problem they are giving origin. Okay, so origin means 0, 0, 0. That means O point. Then the point is equal to 3, minus 3, minus 2. So we assume 0, 0, 0. That means origin is equal to x1, y1, z1. Then the point 3, minus 3, minus 2 is equal to x2, y2, z2. Then we have to find the unit vector. So the formula of unit vector is equal to OP vector divided by modulus of OP vector. Here O means origin, P means point P. Okay. So first we have to find OP vector, then we have to find modulus of OP vector, then we divide both. So first we have to find OP vector. So OP vector is equal to 3 minus 0 AX vector plus minus 3 minus 0 AY vector plus minus 2 minus 0 AZ vector. Then we have 3ax vector plus 3ay vector minus 2az vector. Then we have to find the modulus of OP vector, that means root value. So the root value is equal to 4 plus 6904. Then we have to find the unit vector. OP vector divided by modulus of OP vector equal to 0.6396 AX vector minus 0.6396 AY vector minus 0.426 AZ vector. Then the other coordinate systems are cylindrical coordinate system and spherical coordinate system. In cylindrical coordinate system, the coordinate variables are r, pi, z. Here r is equal to radius, angle is equal to pi, then plane constant equal to z. The base vectors are ar, a pi, az. Then spherical coordinate system, the coordinate variables are radius r, half angle theta and angle pi. So the base vectors are ar, a theta, a pi. Then the use of coordinate system. First one is defining the location. that means determine the location of the any object. Next one is mapping. Mapping means to find the position of the earth, such as locating features, aligning data and creating maps. Next one is medical imaging. That means the MRI scans and CT scans to find the tumors and guide the surgery to monitor the patient health. Next one is economics and social science. Market research, analyze trends and study the consumer behavior and to make predictions. Then last one is robotics. Robotics means path planning and obstacle avoidance. Thank you.